every morning before the hustle and bustle of school life begins. A team of unsung heroes arrives. They are the silent guardians of our green spaces, ensuring that our school remains a sanctuary of cleanliness and beauty.
I start my day at 7 a.m. to make sure the school is clean for the students. It's a job that requires dedication.
I love working with plants. They bring life to the school and it's important to take care of them.
They work tirelessly, often unnoticed, to maintain the environment we often take for granted. We find all sorts of things on the ground, from snack wrappers to notebooks. It's disheartening to see so much waste.
Sometimes plants are damaged by carelessness. It takes time to grow them, but only a moment to destroy.
Despite their hard work, the challenge is ongoing. The cleaners and gardeners often find themselves battling against a tide of litter left behind by the students.
No.
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 No? Have gardeners?
I only know one.
Statistics from 854 students here have shown that majority of the students are unaware of the existence of these unsung guardians of nature. That is why their work are not being acknowledged and appreciated.
May I know why you didn't pick up the rubbish?
Well, why should I? It is not my rubbish. Besides, there are cleaners and workers who are paid to do it. If I pick out the rubbish, then they won't have anything to do. I never really thought about who picks out the trash after us.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you for your thought. Oh. Excuse me. Sorry. May I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
I just saw you pick up the rubbish and threw it into the rubbish bin. May I know why did you do it? You're not the one who threw it, so why did you pick it up?
Every day, when we eat at the school canteen or places within the school compound, I always see students who leave their leftover food, empty bottled water, plastic cups, or chocolate wrappings on the table. They didn't bother to clean up the tables after they eat. Then later, the cleaners will clean everything up, even though it is their work. We should clean our own mess and help in keeping the school clean. Seeing the cleaners work made me realize that it's not fair to leave everything for them.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Welcome.
It's easy to overlook the effort it takes to maintain our surroundings, but every piece of litter not only disrespects the environment, but also those who care for it.
Change starts with a single step. By taking responsibility for our actions, we can support the work of our cleaners and gardeners and contribute to a healthier environment.
It's heartening to see students taking initiative. It makes our job easier and shows respect for our work.
I feel proud when I throw my trash in the bin. It's a small act, but it makes a big difference.
Me,